What is going on, my party people, on this lovely Taco Tuesday? Oh, that sound, I need to work on mine. That's why I don't sing for a living. But for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. It's going to be a one take, Jake. No need intro, outro, all of this stuff. We just going to get down to some beeswax. But before we get down to the beeswax, let's talk about the new thing we got called call outs. Very dope time Sunday, along with the bro PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF, and the Sis 303 Retro Queen, along with LaShawn Terry that joined us, and we had Word, Danny, our Work Customs Danny, me and my kicks, 4th John, Rep Milwaukee, What the Sneakers, we had Feats and Treats, and Coffee with the Four. Everybody was in the building. Was a dope battle. So this week we back at it this time, but it's on a Saturday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, with that being said, let's get into this video. Shout out to everybody who hit on the J Balvin this morning. Everybody know I'm not the biggest one fan. I have some ones, but ones is not my favorite. I see a couple here and there, and I give respect is due. So with that being said, because y'all know me, I'm a Forest guy. I got a couple Forests coming in, so we'll get those videos up. Once I hit 1 million views, I'm going to be in semi-retirement. But it's not about that. It's about these. And bam, a personal pair. I hit these actually on sneakers out when they drop. They just been sitting in the closet. As you can see, a size 10 PP personal pair. Air Jordan 1 OG CO, the Japan joints, white, metallic, silver. But they forgot the blue. I think this is the best out of the pack. Then comes the Biohack, and last but not least, the Silver Surfer. I like how they did the box. They gave us something different, right? You can see like that, like so. I done let it sit kind of messed up right there on the side. It's okay. You got the trademark right there. You got your Jumpman paper, and of course you got bam and bam. Well, I didn't hit without some nuts. So you got these two. Check it out. Very dope. Ones do have a unique smell. Oh yes, one's got that smell, but still not on the level of the foam posits, but it's getting there. But yes, for authenticity, right? So let's go with it. I mean, some people don't like the blue because it kind of got that lint smell, kind of ashy, but as you can see, turn around right here, you got your lace bag like so. And y'all know Nike now, they don't give you the printed receipt. They give you the just steal it box, and they put everything in an email if you want to send it back. So they make you do a little bit of work because you got to use your own ink to send it back. Sneaky, very sneaky Jordan brand, right? So of course underneath here you got them in blue. They were suggested retail price $170 them things. I went through the size on these. I like these. I ain't gonna lie, I like these a lot. So we'll see. Depends on how soon I get a chance to wear them. Will determine if I keep them or not, because I'm just getting sick of shoes. We can't go nowhere. Shoes just sitting around here, and most of the time here in Hawaii, we just wear slippers and all cool, right? Put on a pair of slippers, good to go. So as you can see on the toe box, perforated holes. You don't see no wrinkle stankle here on the camera, but this, you don't get the stroke there. But you do get the wrinkle stankle, as you can see. You get the wrinkle stankle coming all the way up the toe. I like how they do kind of like the not even the pre-lace, but just leave all of the tongue open so you can get the full view. One thing about this, what they did different, right? You got rope laces versus the flat laces on these joints. And you got the stitched in Nike Air on the tongue. And also you got the little nylon over the top, which is very dope in my opinion. Then you can see on the side panels you got the wrinkle stankle, you got the metallic silver, and up here instead of the embossed Air Jordan. You got the Air Jordan here on the heel of it, or the ankle, whatever you want to call it. Then you got some more wrinkle stankle around the ankle collar and blue hits around here. In the back, you can see the stitching is pretty good. This is interesting on this one though, because normally you see the stitching above, but look where the stitching is on these. These are close, right on the swoosh, just like the mids. We're very, very interesting. So if you didn't get these from Nike, you would think, hey, I got a pair of Fugazis, but these joints are right almost, they are built into the swoosh, which is very, very interesting. Then you got the metallic silver right there. And pretty much like I said, of course, this is like so. And inside, take out the shoe tree. You have, should say 10, 10 and a half, like so. And CO Japan, all of that stuff. And you should be able to press, oh shoot, underneath there. Shouldn't be like tissue paper, see? It doesn't give. The fake ones, they be giving like tissue paper. And you can see also here, you can get your QR code. Production date is 5/27/20, 7/27/20. It took them roughly 2 months to get these. I don't think too much are out there. But quality rise on these joints, I think they did a pretty good job. I don't see much stitching flaws. I don't see a lot of stuff hanging out. I mean, it looks pretty good. I must say, Jordan Brand, like you took your time on these and you did what you had to do. Yeah, like I said, for me, 10s, ones are not the most comfortable shoe, but on these, pretty good. Let's check out the other one real quick. Give it a quick spin around. Yep, Jordan Brand, you did pretty good. I don't see any flaws, no glue, all of that stuff like we normally see on other shoes when they rush them into production. Like they took a good amount of TLC with these joints. So with that being said, on a little meter, I would give these about a 4.9. Yes, you heard me, a 4.9 out of 5. All right, you don't like it, fight me on it now. I'm just telling you, 4.9 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Did you cop these, or is it on the reach back list? I don't think they're too high now, but later they will be, because in my opinion, this is the best one out of the pack. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.